Jack had dreamed of having someone to play with him every day. That someone turned out to be a joyful puppy named Dora, who would make Jack very happy, knowing he found a friend for life. However, there was one problem. Dora was still very young and didn't know where to go to the bathroom. On Dora's very first day at home, she had an accident on the living room rug. "Oh no, will Dora ever learn?" Jack said worriedly. Jack didn't realize Dora came with responsibilities. Jack's mother looked at him and said with a smile, "Of course she will learn. She's just a puppy. You need to be patient." Jack nodded. He wanted to help Dora learn fast so that she can stay in the house with them. Jack researched and learned that puppies are small and will often need to go outside to relieve themselves. Thus he made a schedule for Dora. The next morning, as soon as Jack woke up, he took Dora outside for their first lesson. As they stood on the lawn, Jack wanted Dora to know this area is for her to play and relieve herself. "This is your potty spot," Jack said kindly as they stood next to the birdhouse. At first, Dora ignored Jack, but he waited patiently. After chasing a butterfly around the yard, Dora had the urge to go pee. Jack pointed at the birdhouse spot as a reminder for Dora, which she gladly listened. Jack was very happy for Dora. "Good girl, Dora!" Jack cheered. He gave her a tiny treat and rubbed her head. Dora's tail wagged happily. Jack reminded Dora that if he brings her inside the house, she must let him know when she needs to go pee as soon as possible, or else Mum will not be happy. Jack brought Dora back inside the house and carefully watched her. Moments later, Jack noticed that Dora started to sniff and scratch the floor as if she's looking for a spot to pee. Jack quickly took Dora outside again to the yard where Dora can relieve herself. Jack was very happy and praised her. "Great job! You're such a smart girl. You did great." Dora loved hearing Jack's happy voice. Dora also learned that if she did the right thing, she would be rewarded with a treat. Little by little, she began to understand. Of course, not every day was perfect. Dora was still young, and accidents happened. As Jack sitting next to Dora's accident, he was reminded of what his mother had said. Puppies are learning. They need patience, not punishment. Instead of getting upset, Jack cleaned the mess and promised to continue working with Dora as a team. When Jack went to school and couldn't watch Dora, he put Dora in her crate. Dora knew her crate was not outside, nor the spot next to the birdhouse, so she couldn't pee in it. Dora had to be patient until Jack got home. When Jack came home, Dora was very happy and always stood by the door ready to go. Dora would bark softly to let Jack know she needed a potty break. As the sun started to set, Jack reflected on their progression. Mistakes were made and patience were tested, but at the end of the day, it was all worth it. House training a puppy wasn't about being perfect. It was about being patient, consistent, and growing up together. Please like and subscribe to my channel.